this facing forward and this oddball one to the inside.
Okay.
So you can just over, and you're just kind of just gently setting it on there about equally spaced on the bump stop mount.
Okay.
And that's just in preparation to get this wrangled in. And this can sometimes be a little bit challenging. Looks like we're gonna have more room. Well, actually, what we've had. There's a new tab on our lower bracket where you're just going to bolt it back in the same fashion. So it's not going to be flopping around or anything like that. It's just